Hello guys, welcome back once again. This is part 2 of how to trade liquidity runs, and I'll be doing this on S&P 500. Okay, so as I told you in the previous video, I told you that there's liquidity resting above old highs and old lows. Also, there is liquidity resting above equal highs and equal lows. Okay, so in this case, we are on the daily time frame, and then on S&P 500, we can see we have some equal highs here. Okay, equal highs here. Okay, so there is buy side liquidity. The price ran it. Now, for you to trade liquidity runs, you want to see after the liquidity has been taken, you want to see a displacement, okay, and a break in market structure. So let's go down to the 4-hour. Okay, so on the 4-hour, this is the high, the equal high that I showed you. Okay, this is the equal high that was taken. Okay, so after the equal high was taken, we are anticipating a break in market structure with displacement, right? So what do we see here? Displacement that broke market structure. Okay, and what did price leave behind? An imbalance. Okay, on the 4-hour, you see how price came into it and sold off. Okay, so that could have been an entry. Of course, you could have gone you could have gone down to 5 minutes or 15 minutes to have a refined entry. Okay, but I'm not gonna go there. I just wanna show you. And then even if you took the entry on 4-hour, this would have been your trade, almost 10. So it ran more than 10 hours, right? Running 11 hours. Beautiful. Let's say you missed this entry, that's fine. We had another displacement, break market structure, fair value gap, price will wick into the fair value gap. That's another entry. Yes, of course, you can go to 5 minutes, 15 minutes for a lower time frame confirmation. But to keep it simple, this could have been another entry, right? All the way. So guys, whenever a liquidity pool is run, whether equal highs, equal lows, old high, old low, and you quickly see a displacement that break in market structure, anticipate short positions if it was a run above a high. Okay, very good. So let me show you how we could have even gotten an early entry on 15 minutes above here. Okay, let me go to the 15 minutes and show you something. So let me extend this a little so that the 15 minutes you will see the level. Okay, we're going on to 15 minutes. Going on to the 15 minutes. Okay, so this is the same level on the daily equal highs way on the left side. We took it on the 15 minute. We took it. We ran the liquidity above it on the 15 minutes. You could have even had an earlier entry. After taking the high, you see the displacement and the breaking market structure. Okay, breaking market structure. Okay, and then huge displacement. Your entry could have been from the fair value gap, which is this candle's low. Okay, and then this candle's high. That's your fair value gap. Okay, sorry. Okay, so within this fair value gap, you want to take 50%, which lines again with the high that has been taken. Okay, so taking your entry from 50% of the gap, with your stop loss just above this high. Okay, see the crazy risk to reward you would have had. Okay, just trading off liquidity runs. Okay, crazy risk to reward. Just trading based on liquidity runs. Oh, come on. Okay, crazy. You could have held this trade all the way through. Okay, so let's say you miss the first entry. Let's say you miss the first entry. Okay, let's say you miss this entry. Now, as price breaks down again, okay, as price breaks down again and then breaks here, you wanna go to the 1 hour. You wanna go to the 1 hour. Oops. Okay. You wanna go down to the 1 hour. As we break this lows and this lows, you have to go down to the 1 hour to find your fair value gaps above 50% of the range. Okay, this high to this low, above 50%. So from this range, you can look for lower time confirmations, 5 minutes, 15 minutes confirmation for an entry to go short. Okay, let's say you didn't take this as well. You have another entry here as you take this low. Boom. Okay, it goes on and on and on. Another fair value gap here, another entry. So yeah, that's how you trade liquidity runs. Okay, look for equal highs, equal lows to be run. In this case, we had an equal high here being run, quickly followed by a break in market structure on one hour, on 15 minutes, whatever time frame you are looking for. We are looking for what? A displacement. Then here we have a displacement, you have an entry here. And also I showed you the 15 minutes entry above here, right? Subscribe, turn post notification on.